As someone who's grown up in Dallas, I think Reunion Tower is one of the biggest, you know, landmarks of Dallas. I mean, to me, it almost is Dallas itself. I couldn't imagine Dallas without it. So this is the school book depository in Dallas, and this will be one of the things that would be in virtual Dallas. This is Dealey Plaza that we're building out, and actually this has a lot of detail in it. This is South Fork Ranch, and it was in the this was a ranch that you will see in the television show Dallas. So it's actually to the north of Dallas, but this was the actual building that was used in the show Dallas, and this is going to be part of Virtual Dallas Kickstarter project. Is one of the buildings that's in there. Alright, and here's a BJ's restaurant, which is actually in Plano. And I don't know, BJ's always has beautiful architecture, beautiful buildings. So anyway, this is in Plano. So, you know, we're not going to build just Dallas. I mean, Dallas is Dallas and surrounding suburbs, really. So anyway, and then here's an example of the type of model that could be built for the backers. This is Medical City, and Medical City is a big hospital and doctor's office complex in Dallas, and it's got a very iconic tower, and this will be part of Virtual Dallas. This is a 3D model of a 3D printer that is in Dallas, Texas. It will be part of Virtual Dallas, and just showing this to show you kind of the level of detail that we would be proposing for the 3D models that would be included in this Kickstarter project for Virtual Dallas. And there's a location there at 2nd Avenue in Hickory in downtown Dallas, close to Deep Ellum. The sculptcad.com is the URL for the company if you're interested. This is Churros. It's actually in Allen, Texas, which is in the north of Dallas, north of the Metroplex. Just wanted to show the level of detail here. This is Churros. It's a restaurant and pub in Allen, Texas. They're at Central Expressway in Bethany. So this is a 3D model of a person, and this is the type of person that we would create and then use in the Virtual Dallas. And of course it's going to depend on what we think the standard computer out there can handle as to how good the resolution will be inside of Virtual Dallas. But the virtual model of the person itself will be high quality, and that's going to be only for some of our backers. We'll get something like this at a certain level. So far what I've shown you is a bunch of 3D models, but we definitely want this to be a lot more interactive, and so I'm just going to give you a little taste of that. And there's Reunion Tower, and over there of course is South Fork of Dallas fame, and over here is a local 3D printing company called SculptCAD. And so, you know, we want to have some kind of interactivity in it. You know, we just don't want Dallas 3D Virtual Dallas to be 3D models. We want interactivity. We want social. And I'm not sure how far we can take that, but we want to take it as far as possible. So we want to have some kind of interactivity, you know, in the world. So anyway, you know, we want to be able to walk around. We want to be able to explore. We want to be able to interact with the world. So that's a part of this project as well. And I can't seem to walk into this guy, but there he goes. Okay.